What if I told you that you can download videos from almost any website in just a few seconds, completely free? In this video, I'll show you exactly how to do it using Python. Even if you've never installed Python before or you're a non-technical person, don't worry. Just follow along step by step and you'll have it working in minutes. Before we start the video, don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. If you don't have Python installed yet, simply go to google.com and in the search box, type Python. Now, click on the first search result to open the official Python website. Now let's come back to the python.org website. And to download Python, just come down and click Downloads. And now, to download Python for Windows, I will skip the Python Install Manager and come down to the standalone installer, Python 3.14.5. Just click it to download Python. Once Python has been downloaded, just click the downloaded file. And it will open up the Python installer. Just come down and make sure to check Add Python.exe to Path. And now go to the top and click Install Now. Now you can see that Python is getting installed on your computer, and it can take some time to install Python. And now you can see that the Python setup was successful. Now let's come down and close the Python installer. And now let's verify whether Python has been installed correctly or not. For this, come down to Windows Search and type Command Prompt. Now click Command Prompt. And in the command prompt, just type the command Python ---- version. Now you can see that Python has been successfully installed on your computer and the Python version is also verified. Now I will close the command prompt and come to the desktop. On the desktop, I have already created a Python script called installer.py. The link to this script is given in the description box, completely free. Just double-click the file to open the script. And now you can see that the Python script Video Downloader Installer has started. This script will install the necessary Python packages and executables required to download videos from supported websites. In the installation folder, you can choose where the Python packages and executables will be kept on your computer. Here, I will select Documents and then click Select Folder. And now make sure to keep the checkbox ticked to create a shortcut icon on the desktop for the downloader file. And now come down and click Install. And now this will download the required Python packages and downloader files. And this step can take some time, depending on your internet connection and speed. And once the download reaches 100%, come down and click Finish. And now you can see that the shortcut icon for Python video download has been created successfully on the desktop. And now, just double-click to open the downloader. Now I will show you how to download videos from a website using this video downloader tool. Before using this tool, first make sure to click Check for Update. Now you can see that the downloaded packages are up to date. Now, to download the video, I will go to Google Chrome and open the website. And now here is the video I want to download. For this, I will right-click and select Copy Video Address. And now, let me check the video address in the browser. And now you can see that this video has no official download link provided. Now, all you have to do is copy the entire URL path and then paste the copied URL into the URL box provided in the software. And now I will click Browse to select the destination path where the video will be downloaded. For this, I will select Desktop and then click Select Folder. Now, here you can see the destination path in the software, and now click the Download button, and now you can see that the video has started downloading, and it can take some time to download the video. First, the video will be downloaded, then the separate audio will be downloaded, and finally, both of them will be merged to create the final video. Now you can see that the final video has been created. Now let's check the final video that we have downloaded. So if you like this video, then don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel for more advanced tutorials like this.